We're heading to the junkyard. We have several we go through and pick some wonderful stuff that we need. This one is, as you can see, out in the country. We finally got a nice day. It's been raining for months, seems like. It's been about 5 days since the last rain, and you can see how
Not better.
this has not gotten better.
Or this is better.
Well, I mean, it's better than it was 5 days ago.
Scary. This has been impassable, probably.
It almost is now.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, look up here. I mean, we got one of the Great Lakes up here in front of us.
He's carrying stuff out so easy.
Yes, Lake Murataka.
Great mosquito lakes.
Well, yeah, in a couple of months it will be Great Mosquito Lake.
That's why we're here now.
Oh yeah. It's mid 40 degrees. That's why we come out here this time of year, because
Another few weeks
it'll be mosquitoes and bugs, and then the snakes will be out.
Ticks and bees and snakes. Yeah.
Snakes and bees and ticks. Oh my.
All the stuff I don't want to do.
Oh, the home stretch. Awesome. Well, look at there. There's another vehicle wearing the hood for a hat.
That's what they like.
I guess they kind of, looks like it's a thing with that old cars like that. Nice little decor of fungus and
It's just protective coating.
a few weeks this will have a nice little shady spot on it too.
Full of ticks.
Full of ticks, yeah.
This place got more ticks than you can shake a stick at. Last time we came out here in the summer, we had like 6 on us.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
That's how you get Lyme disease. This is in Canada. Our ticks carry disease. Look at that truck.
Oh my gosh.
Tree on. I don't remember that one.
I don't. Or this box truck we're coming up
Box
to.
truck's new too.
They've brought some new stuff out. New old stuff.
Wow, this is cool. It's a vacuum truck.
Oh no, that definitely is new.
Vacuum truck. Military tires on it.
Well, if you can call this fresh blood.
This stuff's been so picked over. Most of it's not here, and this is what we're here for.
Yeah, there we go. That's what.
It's like a 46 or 47.
And there it is, wearing its hood as a hat. Well, who?
That's what they do.
It evidently. Oh, is this the one right here you need?
Yeah. It is. What I have is some kind of knockoff garbage.
Yeah. What else is on here that...
I don't know. I'm looking.
Well, the ones here too.
Huh? What? Yeah, I need both sides.
Yeah. I don't see anything else, so.
No, me neither. I could stand to have a few of these though. I know what these are now.
Oh, what is that?
These are the bezels that go around the cranks for the windows.
Oh,
I have one.
Okay.
But now I have two.
Cool. Well, we probably ought to take a stick
Poke it.
and just pull some of that or all of that out and just see what we got in there. Well, all those
taillight.
leaves.
Oh wow, it's the whole. Oh, I'm sorry, Fred. There's another lens. That looks like it's in good shape though. Is it complete? Yeah, it is.
It is complete. Never bad to have some extra.
No, here, let's take a stick and poke right in here once we get this trim off.
All right. And there's one.
Ow! Ouchie! Oh no, turn loose. There we go. Nice. What?
Yeah.
You don't see the glass in here anywhere, do you?
For the
Back
window.
windows. Yeah, mine are cracked.
I know. I don't think so.
What is this?
Ooh.
Is this what I think it is?
I do believe it is.
Yep, it is. I'm taking that too.
And we need that.
I need both of them. One is better than having to buy both.
Trying to see if there's anything up here that doesn't look like it.
No, you know what? It's in better shape than mine.
Yes, it is. That
It is. Why is this car in better shape? There's less rust in this car. Should have taken this one.
is. we didn't know.
It doesn't look it, but it's a spare tire holder. There's another one of these things.
Oh, cool. All right.
That makes 3.
Oh, wait a minute. I think.
Oh, 4. They're not in great shape, but they're better than nothing.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, maybe. Solenoid.
Something wrapped in a.
Is it a squirrel?
It's a squirrel.
I think we've been through here.
Well, we started to last summer,
Yeah.
and it was just too, like you say,
Too much stuff was moving.
too much. The whole interior of the trunk was moving.
I'm not about that life.
No, rust life, but
Not critter life.
not critter life. Spider life.
Crap! I can't believe how good this body is.
Right, I think we about picked that one out.
Yep. Man, everything is so much nicer on the on this car.
Yeah, that frame, everything,
Yeah.
solid.
Yeah. Another one of these cars. They're just a wide range, large number of years.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that grill. Man. Check this out, man.
Oh man.
Rambler wagon.
Ooh,
How cool is that?
that is so
Oh
cool.
man, it had air conditioning. Check it out. No girl had AC on her. Little straight six. Ramblers were usually torque tube.
Look at the steering wheel.
Yeah, that's good shape. That windshield doesn't look like it's been busted long. That's a shame. I like the grill. It's cool.
Well, that is neat.
Where the headlight bezels and the hood bezel meet.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's 55.
Oh, the bullet lights.
There's another Ford like ours. Ooh, it's got the crash bar in the front. Check it out. It's still got it. Still got the two.
Oh my gosh.
This one's got the little dude. This
Ooh,
hey, it's got the
it does have.
stone shield. Might be different. Thanks.
Oh, the fender's gone over here.
I'm out. This is solid on there, dude.
Of course.
Oh, there's some trim.
Well, look in there. Yeah. Well, here's some chrome.
I know, but it's not the right chrome.
Well, here we are, first Great Lake.
Yay!
Woohoo! Yes, sir. A few weeks, and I will not want to come back to this place till
I'm not coming back till next
next fall.
It'll have to be some kind of emergency.
And where we just visited is actually one of the nicer sections
Of the yard.
of the yard because
We might take a quick trip this way. See if we can not hit this lake.
definite spot for these places, these cars to rust in peace out here by themselves. Good. Yep. Among family.
It's been there a hot minute. Look at that. That's amazing.
Oh, the bumper's part of the tree.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is. I'm really not sure. I wonder how many acres this thing is.
I don't know. It's a lot.
Because there are parts we keep running into I've never seen before.
Sure.
As many times as we've been back here. Well, a lot of it, though, is so grown up,
You can't see it.
you can't get to it. It just goes on and on and on and on. And that keeps going on up that way for who knows how far, and back down that way for a long ways. But we're heading up this way.
Brush with a bush hog on the back.
And we know that if we go down past this,
It's all Mustangs.
it's all Mustangs and other Ford stuff back down through there.
Not as old as we look. Most of the Mustangs are Falcons.
Yeah, I mean it goes on and on way back there.
Yep.
This place is
Pretty awesome.
very awesome. Oh, and there's a covered wagon. It's transportation. And we got 3 pieces of chrome at $10 a piece.
Can't beat it. It's a little high, but where else are you gonna find it?
Exactly.
So,
Yeah, I saw 2 people out there and